how to bypass Doordash waitlist. First things first, before we go ahead and dig deep into the video or tutorial, I'd like to explain to you first for some possible reasons why your application will actually take some time longer than usual. So before following up your application to become a dasher in DoorDash, you've got to make sure that all the necessary documents that you uploaded via online through their official site are legitimate and accurate with your ID that you presented when it comes to documents with your driver's license. It's a very important thing that you'll have to do first before you will follow up. Next thing to do is to make sure that all documents that you have from the service that you will be using, like maybe a car, a motorcycle, or a bicycle, will actually falls down under your name and it's not going to be a rented car. So once you have double check on all of those information and documents, the other thing or the thing that you can do to follow up your application is just by using any uh, browser that you have on your end, and then just simply go to DoorDash support right here. Choose on the first link and you will be redirected to the Help Hub community and DoorDash. So in here, just simply choose whether you're a customer, a dasher, or a merchant. So obviously you're trying to follow up your application, so you should be a dasher support. And just simply click on this option right here and just type in necessary details for you to be able to track down your application. The very least that you can do for you to be able to bypass the DoorDash waitlist.